Ora.
Before you came into power.
Before we came into power.
Okay.
When we came into power. In fact, it was on the day that the oral report was being handed over to me that he mentioned the figure.
Correct.
The 20.1 billion. But of course, that figure was based upon his own calculation of, the sums that were involved. So, for instance, if you take, you take, let's say, drip, all right, the figure involved there is over 100 and something $million, right? When you take the value of lands that were, allegedly looted, they estimate the land in cantonments is what, 500,000 a plot.
Yeah.
So what he did was basically a back of the envelope type of calculation, and that is the figure that he put out. Now he has put a heavy load on my head because now everyone expects me to bring in 20 billion. Yes, but
is that the case from where you sit?
No, from where I sit, it may be up to 20 billion. It may be up to 20 billion if you take the funds we are tracing offshore, into account, because a lot of monies were moved out. Offshore. All right, and but if you take what is in country, the kinds of things we are looking at now, so if you take let's say the buffer stock matter is 78 million Ghana cedis, that's like $7.8 million, right? Or the $7 million. If you take another $7 million from Dubois, $2 million from Skytrain, and so on and so forth, I do not think that you go up to 21 billion. But
Operation Recover All Loot. Ghana for mabinuma bokrono. Ye bani abeji musika di amamo. Monto abama yen. Ghana for MPP for area $21 billion. Ya den kwasi afo na petumi ampa. Okudzeto ablakwa. Esimu nkekae. Mr. Alien, I'm Esther Wofie. Mr. Alien, nkwasi akeka MPP for abokrono ye bani ababeji esika we ye sika dodo we ne hwan ne hwan ni nyina amount to $21 billion. Ebra ne epetumi ene yensa ka tumi na omumebu akonta ama yen on this issue of ORA, 1 and 2 months, 1 year, 2 months in here. Ghana foresee you hear accountability, you hear update on that particular matter. Ekosi saying, I feel the man in charge of this operation recruit all. Okudzeto ablakwa edenama bontene se sika na wano ebima wi from eboto esa from na se system no o the calculation no eye edan achi calculation eye ntro eye kuku ya ebi inability was the back of the envelope calculation. Anything effective. And then I said, as no one does not make sense. There are no basis of reasonable reasons. The was making some sense. In fact, a guy in this book, the older attorney general, I came on this platform and I told Ghanaians, a sentence because and na me no ka say yes na amanfo atonton sate amanfo wi ansase 1.5 years ni why na edina coach na court wa wi ansase nti on famra yeah we ko na ye base dey ko shi wi ho en fa the political party let me everything the NDC was saying with this slogan, and ora, no. The attorney general is telling you that the otifa ora ho, the oti say omo kafa ora ho. Nsem ne ntro mu di yes through the ora omo kwa akoye no sidi nyina ye nsem bia na ye bosre muka. Now there were no evidence to support their claim say obi area sika because or say drip machines, for example, no on one account I just want to bring it down. You're breaking it down. Drip machines, you kotobaye you see a boka $3 billion around there $3 million because Okudzeto ablakwa na onti aban mu na ekomode no because medical country said the NDC leaders no they live only on the state omo abrabo nyina eye oman na ehwe won because NDC for omo ni aban mu a komode omo nti no the obeka kire won say sa 3 billion na say 3 million na yede koto drip machines no according to him krono bi wo ho enti krono bi wo ho a nyese bi a oba beye a calculated deduction, reduction, multiplication. Now I can say be a year or minor 21 million or dabi. Sikana buying that down cancel the kotos machines no. To Okudzeto ablakwa no. Sa sikano. Eni nyina ye corruption. Nti opaje sikani nyina or si drip machine. Ye we are 3 billion. Now say in the right sense, we will be our dream equal chile say. Machines na yede aba no e wo hodie but according to Okudzeto ablakwa no Ghana ban yede che Ghana ban for free enti 3 million na yede koto ye nyina no obi ne wi aye and obi di machines no so che Ghana for. What sense does it make? For example, the Bank of Ghana new building. Now I don't know why people support this in Kwasiafoi. Bank of Ghana new building. You say the 200 million NDC. NDC, Sami Jamfi, and Kwasiafo Omukasama NDC Amain, Abanyuku. Ebejina Bontene Kachile Ghana phone you say. Sa building no, Chronocassie, Akosuoho. So they are coming to take money, sir. Abaino every year. No, they are Ghana for. But I have a question to ask you. 200 million ADC is no. How can you tell me say the whole 200 million chrono will be a chrono 200 million and yes say the 170 million see I believe 30 million will be a part of the money that we are going to retrieve that be to Okudzeto ablakwa opaja the whole cost of the building no see a chrono will be a chrono no they show. As a sibida cantonment. Now you see a town at the amount be 100 Ghana. Ujimi I to you your point of view. Eye 100 Ghana. Now assassin think say the value of it should be 300 million. Into so the ana watch obi we assassin the value at 300 million. This is how the ora and Kwasiafo ora for no. They just took pen and paper to write down to bring out some issues as a corruption, as a scandals, as allegations on corruption. Now, what was going on? The Attorney General, the supreme man in terms of judiciary in the country, and I can't tell Ghana and say, Okudzeto ablakwa pressure so. Because in some Okudzeto ablakwa kaye, sika obupotri no, to him no, and possible Ghana for MPP for years sika no babia. Because why Okudzeto ablakwa for so oye calculations can sika bi bo mo no. No, yen this new when you people was it to him no a unreasonable way to make calculation. A balance of fast calculation estimation. ATN shadow no what champagne no so say $21 billion in family. When him was here, and him was here, and then no ubi someone sema, and this four cannot give you answers. Yet the first so sukwache, eko jina national TV show. Say on chere, I do more cases or more.
There's a national ambulance case, the mathematical sets case, Moshosho rice case.
No, but what are the updates? You just
So
mentioned.
they have,
what's the
dockets
updates on them?
with the individuals who have all been questioned. Evidence has been gathered against. Dockets have been prepared, which means that the documentation upon which the attorney general will be going to court is ready. So it's only a matter of before they are taken to court and formally charged. The trial will begin. There's the duplicative digitalization case. There's a West Blue judgment death case. There's a Bank of Ghana value for money audit. And now value for money audit is actually ongoing. That is completed based on the findings that are made. Action will be taken. There's the All African Games. Indeed, that one, the Attorney General, so the Auditor General has finished his audit, and in the next few days he'll be releasing it. So I can disclose that to you. And several others, the Japan royalties, the Polo Club.
There's a lot of interest in the Japan royalties.
Yes, that one.
What's there?
So that one, they are almost done with the investigation, and once they are done, they will put to that. The Australia visa scandal, for instance, is a matter that has been looked into. The AFCON 2024 budget, and then the trade fair land case. Now, if you go to Yoko, they have over 40. They are looking at over 100 people who have gone through the same process that I have just outlined. It has about 43 people who have gone various to case.
You buy a betchaman for the person Bokrono. Omuya kohifo ye ba bechiwo enkrofo weti aban mu 1 year and almost 3 months near the ensema omoka. What they are still keep on doing is they are still acting as if they are in opposition campaign. Yo, yes, 1 and 2 months, 1 year, 2 months near. You told Ghanaians, say, a man for Abokrono. You mentioned names. Your Attorney General went on what they call press conferences. Press conferences. On various press conferences, sir. Now, all kase binuma Bokrono and make allegations on how they in first 2 months in power. And then you were 1 year, 2 months in here. The government spokesperson, the audio in bigger than everyone. The government spokesperson is still talking, say, case way. Yes, so what is the update? A him fan amakwaduru. The guy can answer. The guy cannot answer. Don't forget to say, kwasiampanyin we are and about bontembe promise Ghana for say NDC government is going to build check compounds across the country in the year 2025. 2026, you be saying now with the session about the same or say a year or no, and a year the spokesperson for the Minister of Health. Mima mi urusukaka me mwakwaba, mimi aba adwasewa, konso mwakwaba yepa. Ana mimi akwa Joe Abrefa onso me mwakwaba. This is the same person who Sanipa way. I am contemporary, but you know, me say the Musankrofo, you know, they can omutimi ton obuanim at the Masika. And in TNDC ni panini etumi sika to 70 million cities or the best spokesperson for the president here. They are all union and they say or this camera media for TikTokers, Facebook bloggers, YouTube bloggers say omon position the Abino as a good president. Meanwhile, we know really clear say this is not the case. Things are not working well. And Trana Mudi, Achichiremo, the Kamano Achimo. Operation Recruit All Loot. Ye becha mamfo agum. Mobaya, enipa mienu, ena modi mani esi omoso. Chama wuntumi, ene adubwahe. Case so, it is said, adubwahe, ebedin kunim, asenya siu, the NDC, in this case Ghana, because of the Omodi Ayeno. Mimiya Jaru, Mimwakwa Bapa, comment style. Bajo temi yepa. The case against Adubwaheno, a case, a foolish case. You him say a foolish case. The case against Chamawun to me, another foolish case. It is just a political witch hunting, and idea Chamawun to me. But Kwasiampanyi for the Sovusu Kwachi Timbe we have seized all accounts of Chamawun to me, even the mobile money. And in your achievement, though, that tenamu ye yano. And just abuse of power and amoyo. It is abuse of power at the first place and the highest level. Yeah, sizi chamawun to mean accounts sunyina. Yeah, sizi chamawun to mean accounts sunyina. A achievement of the order. Moya moa. I remember me rusu kano. I see it's true that. It's true that is what the TikTokers are doing, promoting and praising Mahama for no work done. That is the Etiomoka. And then I was saying, be the media no more issue or a TikToker. Adaya will say on Tiasia the entire Bashinteli Amfasika manu because Bashinteli the Sika Koma TikTokers in Kaifobi say Omonfanya Juma man this but ya money ding. It's not Namaosu. So they are doing this with agenda say they can win the 2028 election by buying people on the media to promote Mahama, even though he's not doing nothing. The system is broke down. Every single promise the NDC gave has tended to be a failure, has tended to be a failed promise. And now we are forced, a teacher forced, nurse forced. Every Ghanaian, common Ghanaian, ATM, identity alert bill, ekosoro. Ensuo bail ekosoro. Aduane ho aye na wo man no. People have not, they don't have money, sika to buy kenke to eat. But oka na said ye kan enkwase TikTokers bi enam TikTok so ka tro se dollar aba fom. Omo ma me ayase. Dollar aba fom. Inflation aye den aba fom. But what is the real impact of this dollar rate and the inflation in the life of the ordinary Ghanaian? I know be so inflation above from say Ghana ni babin to prepaid in your light when fear. Is that the good effect? Dollar na above from no and they say ne petrol ne boko na. Dollar na above from no and then they say ne a school for eco school munya duanini a teacher for yentua wonka a nurse for yentua wonka. Is that the effect? Dollar rate got down where was farmer Ghana ni bana? No. Senka dollar rate bafom, inflation bafom, na ye true production and aba and the life of the ordinary Ghanaian should be better, not worsen. What do we see? Worsen condition of life for every citizen. And let tamale for esu, omoni nentrinum na enum nsuo. Mahama ni krom. The majority leader ni krom. And nentrie mboa. Aka omo ho abomo amoni nipa essence kronom. Ode tna TikTok ho na ye Mahama is the whole. Se prr. Ode tna ho na ye Mahama is the whole. Prr na bo nsem na bo wataba mu na sa. Jimmy o mine na enne ye de nyina ama Mahama ni nwiano. Mahama ni nwiano omo afa Ghana man. It is for them. It is their private business. And your more private agency or more manage. Every sector in the country ye juicy bia. It is under the Mahamas brothers Watch. Zakaria Hassan say, Miriam Wakwabo say, has as for Chamawun to me matter is a inside work. It's a hand to hand of Mahama and his brother. Doing this against Chamawun to me is a political harassment period. It is not only about political harassment. John Mahama, brother Ibrahim Mahama, want to acquire all the mining companies here Ghana Maimo. So everything concerning mining in the country called Ghana will be the property of Ibrahim Mahama. And now I say there is another issue. Into your partner say, na ye won Mahama, John Mahama. Mahama is the hope. He is a hope. Udesa bunkwasi atopa. Fude bunya hore. Me so that transwana sa na bunkwasi atopa. Say Mahama is doing something good for the country. Mahama second coming is worse than his first coming. And I'm taking my things. Masama American piano. I'm taking my words very clear. Asama ifirma no mba sa abre we asama American piano. I take my words very consciously. I say me obi atemo. I'm telling you the truth. O man na da ho enne no. Eye Mahama ni ni wiane de. John Mahama biribi o kan say Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo say oye old to be corrupt. Na yewura Nana Addo o kan sa asem no because onimu say ono no mokro no but gabi nom ni bedi atuo nom ebetimi abokro no na ma yewura Nana Addo eko pensioner omo ahwe no. That is what Mahama is now practicing. Ono de onamo ena oni amanfo twitwa pictures. Ena oni ordinary Ghanaian twitwa pictures. Ena osresre de chira ordinary Ghanaians. Ena oye ne ho comedian ewo platforms so. At the back of the scene, no, his brother Ibrahim Mahama is stealing everything that he can steal. But yejiminti yesi yente ye hu ye emfa ye hu enye yasem da ye ni baba ye ho so no na His Excellency John Dariga Dramani Mahama has sold the country called Ghana completely to his brother. Yento asuna yenko yenim always still about Mahama. We are there. Business Mugu Ibrahim Mahama purchased a new Bombardier Global 6,500 private jet as his new private what them call a private jet. Now there is a case of you know why say why does it always happen this way? Say anytime Mahama is in power, his brother Ibrahim Mahama becomes